discuss the topic modern periodic law and structure of the modern periodic table. In last lecture we have discussed the topic merits and demerits of Mendeleev periodic table. The name of scientist Mendeleev discovered 63 elements are discovered. The arrangement of 63 elements increasing order of their atomic masses. The most fundamental property in Mendeleev periodic table it was the atomic mass, but in modern periodic table the most fundamental property is atomic number. The only change or difference in Mendeleev periodic table and modern periodic table is the most fundamental property in Mendeleev periodic table is atomic masses, and in modern periodic table the most fundamental property it was atomic number. The discovery of atom and in the study of atom, inside atom the discovery of inside atom present a proton, inside nucleus proton, neutron, and around the nucleus revolving around the nucleus is electron. Whole study of Henry Moseley, and to all the known elements are arranged increasing order of their atomic number. What is meant by atomic number? In an atom a present a proton or electron, the number of proton or electron are called as atomic number. The whole study of atom, inside atom, and discovery of all discovered elements are arrangement of their increasing order of their atomic number. The modern periodic law. The modern periodic law, in 1913 AD, the English scientist Henry Moseley, the modern periodic table 180 elements are discovered, and all 118 elements are discovered and increasing order of their atomic number. The name of scientist is the modern periodic table. The arrangement, the name of scientist is Henry Moseley. The English scientist, the Henry Moseley. The Henry Moseley, all the elements, known elements of their properties in periodic function of their atomic number. Means in Mendeleev periodic table, the Mendeleev periodic law is the properties of element in a periodic function of their atomic masses. But in modern periodic table, modern periodic law is the in atomic masses, and in modern periodic law is the atomic number. The modern periodic law is the properties of an element in a periodic function of their atomic number. Only change here in Mendeleev atomic masses in law, and in modern periodic table is only change are their atomic number. The structure of modern periodic table. The structure of modern periodic table in textbook page number 23. The whole entire modern periodic table are there. In how many elements are discovered? Henry Moseley, the discovery of 180 elements are discovered, and arrangement of all 180 elements in his periodic table. Their periods and groups are there. How many periods are there and how many groups are there? The 7 periods. The horizontal rows are called as periods and vertical columns are called as groups. What is meant by horizontal rows? Horizontal rows means they have there from left, the change from a periodic properties, they have change of an elements from left to right. And in groups are there vertical columns. How many vertical columns are there? 1 to 18 are there. And how many periods are there? Horizontal rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And groups are there 1, 2, 3. To how many elements? 18 groups are there. In 18 groups, and how many periods are there? 7 periods are there. The first here, the modern periodic table contains how many horizontal rows are there? 7 horizontal rows, and are called as periods are called as periods. How many periods are there? 1 to 7 periods are there. And the 18 vertical columns in the periodic table are called, first to 18 are called as groups. How many groups are there? 18 groups are there in his periodic table and 7 periods are there. Then the arrangements of elements, periods and groups results into formation of boxes. Means all elements are formation and to put in his periodic table are there put in boxes. Separate elements, each having elements are separately they have place are in each boxes are there. How many boxes are there? 118 boxes are there. Then atomic number are serially indicated in the upper part of these boxes. Here they have there shown the atomic number. The hydrogen having atomic number 1, helium having atomic number 2. All these atomic number are shown at the upper part of each boxes. Then apart from these 7 rows, 2 rows are shown separately at the bottom of periodic table are called as lanthanide series and actinide series. In his modern periodic table, two separate series are there, two blocks are there, and these blocks are called as, that series name is lanthanide and actinide. They are separate or apart from 1 to 7 periods, and then separate these two series. That series name is called as lanthanide and actinide series are there. There are 118 boxes in the periodic table, including two series, means that 118 places elements in the modern periodic tables. How many boxes are there? 118 boxes, and 118 boxes and the places of 118 places of the modern periodic table. In modern periodic table, 118 elements are discovered and arrangement of increasing order of their atomic number. The change only here, the Mendeleev periodic table, the arrangement of elements, increasing order of their atomic number, but in modern periodic table, whole 118 elements are arrangement increasing order of their atomic number. Then the entire periodic table divided into 4 blocks, and these blocks name is S block, P block, D block and F block. How many? Entire periodic table, they are divided into how many blocks are there? 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. Here the S block, here how many groups are there? Group 1 and 2. Then P block from group 13 to 18. Then D block group 3 to 12. And F block, the two separate series are called as lanthanide and actinide series. The entire periodic table are divided into how many blocks are there? 4 blocks. S block contain group 1 and 2, P block contain 13 to 18, D block contain 3 to 12, and two series are at the bottom of periodic table are called as lanthanide and actinide series are separate there. And the zigzag line shown, the left side from the zigzag line is metal, and from right side of the zigzag line are called as non-metal. Here zigzag line are there from a boron, then silicon, then T80, OG, all these elements, they have their border from their zigzag line. These are the zigzag line, and this zigzag line from left side and right side. Left side are called as metal, and from zigzag